Did you see Abby doing any of her face painting?
She stole the GoPro Mountain Games this year. I saw so many people just, going up and taking photos with her and just talking with her and just, she's a scene stealer.
Yeah.
And once again, one of those people inspiring. When you hear her story, it's just incredible.
It's really in other people that I've learned how important it is to share that story. Everyone is going through something, no matter what it is. We all face a lot of challenges in life, and really all you can do is keep going, and see the beauty in those challenges and just keep moving forward. So it's definitely other people that inspire me to keep outwardly sharing that experience.
I'll take you to the candy shop.
To show these girls that I own them. Not from the top.
She say she wanna dance, but she don't know how to.